Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by securing an administrator session and creating a restore point so you can undo changes if needed. Once done, close all applications and note any recent GPU or driver installs because they often correlate with log entries. Next, open the local app data DxDiag folder and copy Dxerror.log and Directx.log to a working folder. You do this to preserve originals and make targeted edits. Make sure you have the logs handy before proceeding to analysis and fixes. You now read the logs, searching for repeating error codes, device removal events, or direct 3D initialization failures, because patterns point to root causes. Once you identify the culprit, map each error to a driver issue, missing DirectX runtime component, or permission problem. Then download the exact GPU driver or DirectX redistributable that addresses the error. If drivers won't install normally, reboot into safe mode and run the installer. This prevents third-party conflicts and ensures a clean update. After updating drivers and runtimes, reboot and run DxDiag to generate fresh DirectX.log and Dxerror.log. Compare them with your originals to confirm errors are resolved. If problems persist, roll back to a previous driver or perform a clean driver uninstall using the vendor's cleanup utility, then reinstall. Finally, verify permissions on graphics devices and test with a simple DirectX app. If nothing works, use System Restore to return to the prior state. Avoid aggressive driver verifier settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.